but it's probably getting a little faint on that side.
But still a problem.
I mean, it's a good site. That pack's been there for now. What?
At least a week.
Yeah, that's right. I guess
Last Tuesday.
Tuesday. So yeah, we know it's been a week.
So, the way the program works is there's several stages to it. We're first going to move over to the outdoor theater where we're going to help people park cars. Then we have a program on wolves, and after the program I'm going to give people instructions, and the basic idea is we're going to take people out to the location where we heard wolves last night, and we're going to move all of these cars hopefully safely. And we will howl, and hopefully we all get a response, and then we have to return all of our equipment. So you're going to see through this whole exercise, there's different assignments at when we're at the outdoor theater versus when you're at the howling location or after the howl. This requires a lot of staff, and Amanda, you can be back here helping somebody, and Peter, you'll be up here sort of directing that person there. At the ends of the pods, and again, the more seasoned staff here should know this, is you want to park two vehicles here that can easily just pull out. I noticed last week some of them were kind of pointed straight into the bushes here. You want them on an angle so that they can actually just pull out, because it'd be too hard to take this vehicle and try to turn around and go out afterwards. We need 8 handicap spots, 4 here and 4 here. Yeah, that's affirmative. Do we still have a steady line coming in, or is it slowing down?
Slowing down a little bit.
That's affirmative.
Today we spent most of the day doing the planning, and we're going to again have a very late night. We have over 24 staff that are working. Some of them are Ontario Park staff. Some of those are friends of Algonquin Park staff and volunteers. And for this wolf howl, we have 6 people that are also from our main office out of Peterborough that have joined us and are working as well. Let's give these people a big hand. Speaker and howler. So please help me welcome Justin Peter for the program tonight.
Thank you, Rick, and thank you everybody for coming out tonight. Now, of course, tonight's topic is wolves. And I'm sure that most of you are here tonight because you find something fascinating about wolves. And when we do these programs, I sort of wonder, where does our fascination with wolves come from? Well, I'm sure many of you as children read or were told stories that made wolves out into extraordinary animals or monsters almost. You heard stories of wolves that could swallow grandma in one bite. You heard tales of wolves that could blow the houses down that little piglets would make.
Rick, it's all quiet on my end.
You still good, Peter?
Yep, it's all quiet.
Okay, we're gonna try the first howling.
Traffic. Sierra, you would be watching, and when you feel it's safe to stop this line, so if there's a bit of a break, you put the stop sign on. That there's going to be a bit of a delay here. Wendy.
Okay.
How about this one, Joe?
All right. So if you want it back in this wash, maybe that you need between that car.
Here, how many people are here for the very first time, for the very first wolf howl? That's pretty good. That's almost half. Well, special welcome. That was Tuesday night. We were out last night, and last night at one of the locations we had a very good response. There were multiple wolves that were responding.
Thank you to all of my fans. I didn't know I had a fan club. Topic. Now, I'm sure that most of you are here tonight because you are fascinated with wolves in some way, just like me. And it's probably easy to understand why, if you've ever seen a striking image of a wolf. It's sure that most of you, as children, have read or have been told fairy tales about wolves, such as Little Red Riding Hood. You need to hear real wild wolves howling.
You able to hear that wolf? Or everyone here heard it? Yeah.
Now I gotta go work my butt off out in that lake, so I'm gonna turn the camera off because there's a wind out there. Anyways, I'm no canoeer. That's pretty beautiful though.